Hello everyone, this is Rado from YCBM support, and today we're going to talk about customizations. Now, there are a few things we can customize within YCBM, such as the after booking, notifications, calendar events, and today we're going to look at notifications. For example, this notification that the booker receives immediately after they've booked an event with you. As you can see, we have the from and to addresses over here, the subject. As you can see, we're using a shorthand code, booking page title, which translates into the title we have set on our booking page. In our example, I've used the start code, which is the day, date, and time of the event, and a few helpful commands to add the event to a calendar, along with a cancel and reschedule code. You can find a brief list of codes over here in our rich text editor alongside bold, italic, and hyperlink. You can also find a full list on our article, Shorthand Code Glossary, along with a very helpful video. So let's try to take this for a spin, for example. Let's open up the booking page here. I'm gonna choose a date and time. So our name, our email address, easy peasy. Over here we have our after booking section, as we can see over here as well. Have the same controls, add to Google, add to MS Live, which is basically Microsoft, add to ICS if you want to offer the booker the opportunity to download the calendar invite, otherwise known as the ICS file. We're going to go ahead and check the email. As we can see, the email looks exactly the way we have edited. I'm going to go to notifications, confirmation email to booker. The same preview that we have here is exactly the same how the email will look in the mailbox of the booker. And we're also going to check out the calendar event on our calendar. This is our calendar. In this case, we've included the booking page, duration, reference, and in case you're using a Google or Teams integration, this is what the link will look like, or Zoom, why not? And if you use something like the code form fields, let me show you right here. When you use the code form fields, this will translate into the fields that you have in your booking form right here. First name, which is code fname, and email, which is code email. Of course, you can edit those as well. You can go to edit and you can choose a custom shorthand code. For any questions and concerns, don't hesitate to reach out to us at support@youcanbook.me. This has been Radu from YouCanBookMe support, wishing you a great day.